Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Office 365 plan supports Copilot and licenses are ready. Sign in as a global administrator to Microsoft Entra ID because this is required to toggle tenant-wide features. Once done, check tenant data residency and any required data connectors. Copilot relies on those. Also inspect Microsoft 365 Service Health for active incidents. After these checks, proceed to enable the Copilot feature in the Admin Center. This is your first actionable step to begin activation. Now you enable and configure Copilot inside the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to Settings, then Organization Settings, and find Copilot, toggle it on. Make sure to choose Deployment Rings. Pilot groups first, then broader rollout. This minimizes disruption. Configure data access permissions and privacy controls so Copilot uses approved content sources. Assign licenses and use group-based assignments to target pilot users. Once configured, validate access by signing in as a pilot user and opening an Office app to confirm Copilot appears. To complete activation, verify Copilot shows up in Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams for pilot users. This confirms successful rollout. Collect telemetry and user feedback, then refine policies, privacy settings, or license counts as needed. If Copilot doesn't appear, first recheck license assignment and Microsoft 365 Service Health. Make sure conditional access or network restrictions aren't blocking the service. If issues persist, review sign-in logs and Copilot diagnostic logs. Escalate to Microsoft support with tenant ID and timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.